Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss button and button event in Android, specifically on-click listener. In the example one, we have already seen a button with a text view, that how text is going to change when we click on button. Now in the example 2, we will have 3 buttons and a text view. When we click on the red button, the background will be red and the text will be set to red background. Similarly, when we click on green button, the background will set to green and the message will be green background in the text. Likely, when we click on green button, the background will be green and the text will be green background. Okay, so let us go with the help of example. Go to file. Okay, new project, select the empty activity, click on next. Here my application, new background. Okay, package here language is Java, API 15 we are setting, and finish. Our project is now loading. It will take some time. So as usual, there will be a text view by default. We need to add 3 buttons and the on-click listener for that buttons. Very interesting thing is there. We want to change the background of layout, so that's why we have to set the ID to the layout. So in this case we have the constraint layout. We will set ID to constraint layout, and that ID will be useful in main activity .java file, okay, to access the constraint layout. So simply the constraint layout object CL, for example, dot set background color and the color which you want to set. Okay, now we will see with the help of example. Okay, so text view we will shift it to above. For example 80, for example again 170 and 400. Okay, this is what the settings. Now how to add button? Go to palette, buttons, select a simple button, drag and drop it. Okay, set the coordinates for this button and call it as a red button. Okay, again from the palette select a button, drag it below that, set the coordinates for this also, and call it as a green button. Again one more button from the palette, buttons, button, drag it and below that. So we have 3 buttons called red, green, and now this one will be blue button. So let us have the look of this, then we will add the functionality. So one text view and 3 buttons, red, green and blue. So we are using here jar of beans emulator. it will launch the activity very soon. Now you can see here is a hello world, red, green and button. Okay, so there is blue. So when I click on red, okay, nothing is happening, so we have to add the functionality to this. Okay, so here we have the text view, TV, then we have the buttons. So button is R, G, B. 3 buttons are there. Okay. So we will map text view and button. TV equal to text view, find view by ID, R dot ID dot text view. Okay. So this is what. Again, what for the simplicity, we will change the IDs of button. So here button R. This will be the ID for button red. Okay, for green the ID will be button G. Okay, and for blue button the ID will be button RGB. We will fix it. Okay, so for this button red, here the button 2 and button 3, these 3 are the IDs. For red the ID is button, for green the ID is button 2, and for blue, okay, here we will write, for blue the ID is button 3. Okay, so initially TV dot set text size, we will set text size to 20 and the color will be black. TV dot set text color, okay, color dot black, we will set it to black. Okay, and now we will map the button R equal to button find view by ID, R dot ID dot button. Okay, so for red, for green button find view by ID, R dot ID dot button 2. Okay, this is what the ID, and RGB B equal to again button find view by ID, R dot ID dot button 3. We have the button 3. Okay, now as I told you, RGB, let us check once again. For green button 2, for green button 2 and button 3. So we have to set ID to the constant layout because we are changing the background of constant layout. Okay, so we will access the constant layout. So we are setting the ID for constant layout. So the ID is my layout. Is the ID for constant layout. Okay, so we have set the ID for constant layout. The ID is mylay. So here we will create the object of constant layout. Constant layout, for example CL we are setting, and now CL equal to constant layout find view by ID, R dot ID dot the ID which we have set. The ID is what? this my lay. Okay, my lay. It is not updating. My layout. This is what the ID. Okay, my layout. Okay, now we will add the functionality to red button. So r dot set on click listener, it will add the click event to red button. New on click listener. Okay, so here what we will do, cl dot set background color. We want to change the color of constraint layouts background, color dot red. Okay, and the message is what, tv dot set text, here red background, red. Okay, so similarly we will add for g also, g dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here cl dot set background color, color dot here green. Okay, now text view we want to set tv dot set text. So text will be here green background. Okay, similarly for b, now b dot set on click listener, new on click listener, here cl dot set background color, color dot blue here. Okay, and tv dot set text, text is what, blue background. Okay, this is what we have added the functionality. So now let us see text view object, button, 3 button RGB, constraint layout, CL. So we will have very first mapping of text view into the Java file with the help of find view by ID, r dot add dot text view, text size 20 and black. Okay, then button, this is the assignment, then constraint layout assignment, then r dot set on click listener, we have set the color red of the background of the constraint layout, then message red background, green color to the background, green background as a message, blue color to the background, and blue background as a message. Now let us run the code. So it is not now installing, and the activity will be launched very soon. Okay, so here is basically hello world. When we click on red, the background will be set to red and the message is red background. When we click on green, the color of the background will be green and the message will be green background. When we click on blue, the background will be blue and the color will be text will be blue background. Okay, so likewise red, green, blue, green, blue, red, likewise the corresponding text is also going to be changed. Okay, so if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment on this video. Thank you so much.